Hey everyone, it's WormKing. I'm going to teach you how to do a scary scene. Step number 1, the hands. So you're going to go like scary. Yeah. So when you're walking, you can put them out, or in, or down, or up, down, or up. Anyway, just make them scary, you know? Step number 2, the face. Alright, so you can make it scary, so you can do like fangs, or tongue, or brown, or anything. Below, up. Okay, so, scary face. Do you have a scary face? Oh wow, that's scary. I wouldn't even bother showing you mine. Yours is better. Stay with that face. Done. Step number 3, legs. Okay, so you gotta, when you're walking, you gotta get them high, like, or low. Yeah, it's easy. You can also do a kick and flap. Like that. Or you can go really high, like anything you want, really. It's on the legs. Step number 4, lighting. So turn lights off, or on, depending on the scariness of the situation. Lights on for not scary and suspense, lights off for the scary moment. Or you can do it the other way around if you want. I prefer the other way around. Now you get started with your scary movie, and I'll show you mine after. You have 3 seconds to film. 3, 2, 1. Alright, yours done. I'll show you mine. Great film. Yours was really good, but I think mine was better. But you know, you can never be as good as me. You know, one tip: try more lighting. Actually, no, your lighting was good. Keep going. Yours was better. Don't mind him. Who said that?